you look like a sleeping Buddha. You know, I like it. You know, the Buddha who are like this.
Yeah, I'm trying to. That's the way I spent my life the last few years.
Okay. Tell me about it. How can I help you?
On New Year's Eve, 22 years ago, I fell down the stairs, and I'm missing out falling down the stairs and the next 7 hours. So the next day I didn't remember what had happened. And I couldn't move. I was having a big headache and pain in my neck and not feeling well, couldn't walk. But after a few days, my holidays were over. I started working again. And after 3 weeks, I kind of fell down. Even when I didn't know what had happened, I always told the doctors, it feels like I've fallen on the pavement on a big rock last night. So over the years, it got worse. I tried about everything I could try. Sorry.
Yeah, just take your time. Just express yourself. If there's an emotion, let it come out. It's part of the healing.
The last 4.5 years, I was not able to leave my house.
Okay.
And the last 3 years and a bit more, I'm in my bed in the dark. I can't stand any noise, any light. I so much want to get better, and I feel kind of stupid because I don't understand it. That's basically it.
Okay. A question for you: Are you with some family in your house, or are you just alone?
I'm just alone.
But is there anybody helping you somehow?
I get home care every day to bring me my meals at my bed.
Okay.
And my drinks.
Right.
And I have some friends coming by. They have their own keys.
Okay.
And on some good days I can go downstairs, but I lay on the couch there with the curtains closed.
Okay. Do you have any damage in the brain or any nervous system? Or?
They can't see nerves on images, but they think some nerves were damaged, and maybe I have some brain damage as well, and some new röntgen, I don't know the English word, X-ray pictures have been taken recently.
Okay.
There's with a doctor now, and I have to wait the results, so I don't know if he can see anything on the MRI or.
Okay. So, would you like to be free and having your independence and moving?
Yes, please.
Okay. Wonderful. I love your spirit. I mean, somehow you are positive. You are optimistic somehow. Oh, I feel this.
Yes, I do want to get better so much, but it's not easy every day to be hopeful.
Okay. If you could be free in movement and you can actually move like everybody, what would you do? What would be the first thing you would do?
I'd start running in the forest, and I would fly. Sounds crazy, but then I would phone my friends and say, tonight I'm gonna make dinner.
Wonderful. Okay. Max, close your eyes.
Can I lay on my back?
Yeah. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Out. Just let go everything right now. Just there. Stay there. It's gonna deprogram a few things here. Okay, open your eyes. And now just check. Let me know what you notice different. Just check yourself. Physically, mentally, emotionally.
My heart feels different.
Okay.
It was racing while you were working.
Yeah.
And I'm sweating.
Okay.
As normally I'm always cold.
Yeah.
My head is kind of exploding, but that's kind of normal.
Okay. How is the mind? If you close your eyes, what is going on in your mind right now?
Well, as if my head is in the washing machine.
Yeah.
It's like tumbling around.
Yeah, because we broke a lot of limiting belief, a lot of mind structures. So it's opening up. That's why the explosion, but it's a healthy explosion.
Okay.
And you're doing a good job. I like your attitude. I like it. Wonderful. Try to move physically, and let me know you notice different when you try to move physically.
Holy
I like it.
Oh, sorry. It feels better.
It feels better. Okay. Yeah.
Can you say what was happening?
I don't know. Energetically, your energy were stuck. That's why you felt cold. It was like somehow these programs, people who felt that there is no hope, or they are kind of, like not accepting or angry, they have this energy around. But for you, it was very easy to let it go. And now the heat that you're feeling is the healing that is happening. Life is flowing again through your mind, through your heart, through your body, through your spirit. And basically, there's an explosion of divine energy around you right now.
Sorry, can you repeat that?
There's an explosion
of
divine energy around you.
So, did I somehow cause this to myself, or?
I don't know. I mean, we are not doing consciously things to us. It's the subconscious mind who's doing it.
So I don't have to understand it.
Yeah, the less you understand it, the better. That's why I teach people a mantra that is very powerful. It's called, I don't know. All the time, hey, I don't know. What is happening to me? I don't know. Because life knows. If we trust life, life will do the job for you. Because I don't know.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, in what way do you feel that your physical movements have improved?
Right now?
Yeah.
It's kind of like my head turned from the back of my head to the top or to the front of my head.
Okay. Can you try to stand up?
Normally I would feel dizzy if I stand up. I don't feel dizzy now. I feel okay.
Okay. Can you try to walk?
Yes. I don't have the biggest house of the world, so.
No, it's fine. We're not looking right now at your house. We're looking at you.
No, I know, but I can't walk that far.
Oh, okay.
That's what I mean.
Just share the sensation when you're walking. The sensation.
It's like it's hard to explain.
Yeah.
Like there is something cold here.
Yeah.
Well,
okay.
The rest of me, my legs are feeling cold, but that's because of the sweat is I don't know, drying.
Yeah.
But the cold I feel here is different.
Yeah.
It's like I can move better my neck and my shoulder than before.
Beautiful. Can you do a little dance for us?
It's for old people who are imperfect and have to fart in public.
Okay.
It feels good.
Wow, amazing.
I can move
Mm-hmm.
freely. So
Right.
that's different.
Right.
Thank you.
Okay. When are you going to go to the forest and run? Tomorrow?
Yes. And run. Tomorrow.
Yeah, try it. You know, I'm not saying that you would run 20 kilometers on one go, but just move a little bit and start
Just 19.
Yeah.
Okay.
And I start to realize that something shifts.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Stay like this because I still want you to do some healing on you. Just close your eyes for a moment. Just can you stay there like this? Beautiful. Okay. So you like to okay. You like.
Sorry.
You're a little bit lazy. Okay.
You're very lazy.
Okay. Close your eyes. And let me just continue with this.
I feel a bit like the Phantom of the Opera.
Okay, what did you say?
I'm looking at myself, I feel like the Phantom of the Opera.
No. You look amazing. I mean, I don't know, it's such a present, such a gift.
Thank you.
From where you were and now it's like magic, beautiful. Okay, just check yourself again and let me know what you notice different.
It's like the cramp, is that a word? It's gone in my neck or my head.
Okay.
And I start burping within a minute, I guess.
Burping is because fear that coming out to the surface, like you're placing out some, let's say, toxic emotions that they were there. Okay. Move your head to the right, to the left. Wonderful. Up and down. How's your neck responding?
Fine. Normally going this way is very scary and painful, but it's not.
Okay. I would like to, it's like dancing with your head like this. Yeah, baby, yeah. Just
That's
do it.
really scary.
No, do it, because I want you to see, there you go.
It
Nice.
makes noise in my head.
Yeah, but this is part of the, your whole system is being adjusted to this energy that is pure love that is around you.
Okay.
Okay. Like it. Okay.
Thanks.
Wonderful. Wonderful. Anything else?
No, thank you.
Okay. Thank you so very much.
Thank you.
Okay. Run in the forest.
Yes.
Okay. Cook some dinner for friends and have fun.
Thank you.